So, hello, once again I'm back on my old trustworthy Dell Alienware M17 R5 AMD edition. Before I will continue, let me check out the stream if it's working properly, and then we will see. Nice. So yeah, as always, I'm recording locally and streaming. Today is on YouTube live service, and I'm using PikaOS 4 Linux. It's the one with the Niri window manager. This is the fast fetch with the system information. You can pause the stream or later on my YouTube channel the video. Pay attention, the screen resolution is 3840 by 2160, running at 120 Hz. However, as you will soon see on my OBS settings, I'm using the full 4K resolution for streaming and recording, but at 30 FPS. The system has an AMD Ryzen 9 CPU, 6900HX, and the GPU also an AMD Radeon RX 6800M. It has 32 GB of RAM and 2 TB of SD storage space. So yeah, with these things out of the way, let me zoom back and away. And let's check out the OBS settings. Basically the same just like yesterday, if I remember correctly. Full 4K 30 FPS, 16,000 bitrate, MKV file for the recording, and I'm using hardware encoders, FMPEG AAC and for the audio, and FMPEG VAPI H264 for the video. So yeah, as I was saying, I'm using PikaOS 4 Linux. It's the Niri version. They have their own pikabar, it's called pikabar Noctalia version basically. And I'm trying to customize the system to make it like as I want it to be, as best as possible. I keep failing, but I'm not quitting just yet. Obviously I have no guide in place because I am experimenting so much. However, let me show you what I have been doing and have successfully done so far. So let's start with the top panel here, which it has the weather, the system settings, etc. As you can see, it has the sweet dark V40 theme looks. I borrowed quite a lot from that one. And then you can see here the icons that it has, the system. You can do like this with the mouse wheel, for example, to lower the volume or the brightness or to increase, etc. And then the usual suspects of Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, etc. And this is the new thing that I have successfully done. It's the date and time as I want it to be. And this includes the calendar as well. It has the Swedish names and also the week numbers here. So currently we are on week 27, and this is the week, the dates. And seemingly it works just fine, no problem at all. This was quite a puzzle for me to solve. Then finally I have my dock here, which is semi-functional. For example, yes, I can launch the apps, for example, from the dock. No problem, as you can see. It has the appearance that I wanted to have. It's on the left side, it's auto hide, etc. However, I cannot see yet, at least yet. I'm not sure if I will be able to accomplish it. I don't see any indicator on the dock of which of the apps are open. Or when I load an app that is not in the dock, I'm not able to see it. I will go, for example, with Flat Seal, Boom. But flat seal is not on this dock. So yeah, perhaps it's something easy to fix for the masters of the pikabar, of this customized PikaOS Noctalia Quixel, but for me it's a puzzle to solve. And I'm trying really hard, but not succeeding so far. Anyway, the other things that I have shown you yesterday are still pretty much in place and working just fine. I didn't have the time to sharpen the edges, so to speak, or round up the corners or something. But yeah, for example, the wallpaper jumper functions just fine. Also the cursor factory, the same. For example, I'll use the keybind to change to another cursor. Or create a new one, doesn't matter. So I'll go with, let's go with Swedish Breeze for now. Boom. Size, boom, and done. And right now, if I will open up any app, it will have the same cursor, no problem at all. No need to relog or anything. And then I can go and switch back to the red-yellow that I was using. I'm fond of that one, more often than not. And boom, just like that. So yeah, the other thing that I have done, maybe you noticed the other day, it's this application launcher. I have make the letters, the text bigger than it actually was. They were using the default font size was tiny for a 4K display, so I think this is better. And of course the color themes, etc. Using my own sweet dark, not my own, but my preferred one, the sweet dark V40 colors. For example, like this up here. I'm talking about these colors. And yeah, all in all, it goes pretty well, but yeah, silly things to solve, like for example, having the ghosty icon here, the terminal ghosty, the icon, it was like a generic one, another generic one, a transparent emperor clothes icon. Yeah, it was insane, but finally it worked. So yeah, what else? I think no need to drag this longer. I'm trying my best. I will not waste too much time trying to customize and make it as best as possible. I will submit defeat, at least this time around, because I'm pretty sure that perhaps not that far into the future they will release the new Pikabar or Noctalia Quixel. It will be like maybe version 5 sooner than later here. This one, as I said, is a custom version of Noctalia, but they don't have any versions or whatever here, so I can't be sure. So yeah, we will see. Worst case scenario, maybe I will try first to have a go at DaVinci Resolve Studio 21, version 21. So maybe tomorrow I will try to do that. And maybe for the day after tomorrow as well, maybe I will still be battling out with DaVinci Resolve Studio. And maybe then after that, I will return to keep customizing the system. This is quite stable, to be honest. The system is rock solid so far, even though I was poking quite a lot at it. It still took every single blow. Maybe I had like a quick cell crashing here and there, but nothing crazy, you know. I was still able to use the system with shortcuts and such things. So all I'm trying to say is Niri was fine, so I was able to work through a crash here or there of the Quixel, which I will repeat, I was poking quite a lot. So that was logical and expected. But the rest of the system, quite a lot rock solid, and the performance is top notch. Or at least that's what it appears to be. I'm not using any benchmarks to prove my point or a fact or something. It feels rock solid and fast for sure. Anyway, no need to drag this any longer. I will stop now for real. As always, thank you for everything. Thank you for everyone who have trusted me and subscribed to my YouTube channel. I think it's quite safe to say that I have 100 subscribers for sure. It has been stable for the past few days. So thank you to all 100 of you for trusting, for putting faith to this old has-been. Yeah, thank you every single one of you, and here's to the thousands. As always, thank you for everything, and see you on the next one. Bye!